Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting everything down to avoid shocks. Power off the set-top box and TV, then unplug them. Once done, you need the right tools: wrench, screwdriver, gloves, and a sturdy ladder, so you can work safely and fast. Make sure to photograph cable connections and label them so you can restore service later or show proof to customer support. This prevents mistakes and documents the setup. It also saves time if you need to reverse the process. Next, disconnect the cables. Remove the L&B coax and any auxiliary power or data leads, and cap or tape exposed ends to keep moisture out. Then move to the mount. Hold the dish steady while you loosen the bolts on the mast using 2 wrenches so the load doesn't shift suddenly. If the dish sits on the roof, attach a rope and have a partner steady you. Safety harnesses and a slow, controlled lowering prevent damage and injury. Take your time to avoid stripping bolts. Finally, lift the dish assembly off the mast and inspect the hardware and cables. Decide what to keep or recycle. If you removed roof-fastened mounts, seal any penetrations with silicone to prevent leaks, and secure loose cable runs inside the house. Reconnect the set-top box briefly to confirm the dish is fully disconnected and that there's no stray signal. If billing or service remains active after uninstall, contact your provider with photos. That single troubleshooting step resolves most post-uninstall disputes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.